How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am taking for you new topic. Topic name is Beauty Camera X Selfie Camera Photo Editor. I will show you first review about this application is Annie Rexilis. She said, so far so good. I have only taken a couple of pictures with it. It seems like a solid beauty app, cool filter and editing option with free trial. Second is Elizabeth M. Hodges. She said, I have always loved this camera app. The filters are unique and easy to apply. The perfect filter for that stunning extra in picture and photos. Thanks for the awesome option. Courtney Dawson said, great camera so far. Love the setting you are able to change and it takes clear photo. If you want to watch all review, you can see there is many review and you know about this application for this review. I will show you significant in application. Its camera X is a cool camera for you to take beauty selfie and edit fantastic photo. Beauty camera X is a cool camera for you to take HD photos and beauty selfie. Camera X has 50 plus amazing filters, 200 plus funny stickers, beauty selfie mode, professional mode, and powerful built-in photo editor. Beauty Camera X is created to be the most powerful and cool camera and photo editor app. Beauty Camera X is powerful and cool camera. Beauty Camera X is available for all Android 4.3 devices including is an easy beauty selfie camera. One tap to beautify your selfie. It also has a skin tone effect. Beauty Camera X has 50 real time filter. You can preview filter effect before taking picture. Beauty Camera X has 1200 plus funny sticker to selfie. Face detection support. Beauty Camera X has professional mode, ISO, scene mode, white balance and exposure compensation. Beauty Camera X support taking photo remotely by audio command. Beauty Camera X support using volume key to take selfie handily. Easy album manage for your photo. Location targeting feature date time location stamp on photo. Camera and video resolution adjust. Camera timer option. With Beauty Camera X you can take photos by timer. Camera grid option. Mirror camera. Beauty Camera X also has beauty photos editor X 100 plus amazing filters. It also has online filter store, beauty with face filter, makeup with big eyes, lipstick, facelift, contact and etc. You can add wonderful background fonts and tag to photos. Photo just contrast, saturations, brightness and tone, crop and rotate, tilt, shelf and vignette. Photo save format and size option. Permission note, camera permission, take photos and record video, access SD card, manage photo album. Thanks for using Beauty Camera X Beauty Photo Editor X. Please rate and leave comments to help. You can see how much rated this application. You can see the version updated on download size Android OS. If you want to install this application, just press the install button and your application will be install. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button. I will come to you with new application. Take care. Bye bye.